A new experience, fresh insights, meaningful conversations with fellow top producers. During the event, our partners connected with our leadership team, asked questions, shared ideas, and gained real, practical insights. This is what made the experience truly exclusive. From March 18th through the 20th, 2026, at 80 Mortgage Headquarters, we brought it all together.
Agent cannot give you 100% underwriting decision. It's not going to be right. We are trying to use AI to create gazillion of rules to give you exact underwriting decision.
This is where real partnerships get stronger. Follow us on social media and don't miss the next event.